Team Pilipinas simply couldn't make enough shots to bring down an Iran side that played all but 58 seconds without giant Hamed Haddadi, dropping an 81-73 loss in their Fiba World Cup Asian qualifier on Thursday night. Veteran Mohammadsahmad Nikkhahbahrami scored 21 points, including back-to-back baskets, that opened an 11-point lead late in the fourth quarter for the home team in a highly physical game that left a couple of Filipinos bloodied. Fil-German Christian Standhardinger kept Team Pilipinas afloat with 30 points and 12 rebounds, but the Filipinos faded in the fourter after making just 5 of 28 shots from beyond the three-point arc. By the time Haddadi was fielded in with less than a minute left in the game, Iran had its sixth win in 8 games in the qualifiers for the 2019 Fiba World Cup in China all but wrapped up. Standhardinger was the only player to hit double figures for the visiting team. Alex Cabagnet had 9 points, Bo Belga added 7 points, while shrugging off a bloodied nose, while Marcio Lassiter added 4, while enduring a boxer's cut above one eye. Scotty Thompson also played quality minutes in his Team Pilipinas debut, finishing with 5 points, 3 rebounds, and 3 assists in 10 minutes of play. However, the Filipinos couldn't make open shots to fall, making just 25 of their 65 shots overall as they fell to 4-3, win-loss, I Group F. They fly home to host Qatar in a closed-door game on Monday. In contrast, Iran made 32 of 65 shots. 6 unanswered points, 4 of them by the veteran Bahrami, led to the game's first double-digit lead, 77-66 with 2:48 left. The scores: Iran 81, Nikkhahbahrami 21, Mashaeki 19, Kazemi 11, Argivan 8, Yakchalita 47, Jamshedija Farabadi 6, Mirzia Talarpasti 5, Sabari 4, Haddadi 0, Davidichagani 0, Muzaffar Rivanani 0. Philippines 73, Standhardinger 30, Cabagnet 9, Belga 7, Lee 6, Thompson 5, Almazan 5, Lassiter 4, Talava 3, Sangalang 2, Norwood 2, Aram 0, Maliksi 0.